I got to a point where I felt pretty burnt out and over my career in corporate, and I decided to just kind of flip everything and pursue a passion that had kind of just been a hobby for a long time.
I guess I just wanted to transform my hobby into a career.
I decided I wanted to come here in like year 10. It's more specialised here than some other unis, and the facilities as well.
I think it's quite nice that the classes are quite like intimate, like we get to know everyone and the teachers.
I think as like a cohort we're all really close, which is nice.
My classmates and then the teachers are all very, very helpful. I guess it's the community around PSC is what I love most.
What I like about studying the course is the fact that you can discover different type of photography.
And I've never really done portrait photography before, but I really, really loved it after that class.
Having time to work collaboratively with people who have similar interests with you is nice to sort of build memories doing that.
My best memory at PSC so far would be the day that I discovered that it's okay to go out of your comfort zone.
Just be yourself. Your best work will come from just you being yourself and not pretending to be someone else.
So the advice that I would give to someone is the advice I would give to myself, which is if it looks impossible, do it. Figure it out how to do it, but do it.
If you feel like you have a story to tell or something to show the world, you feel like there's something brewing up inside you, I'd say definitely take the leap. This will give you the skills to create something that you feel like will represent yourself. So.